about behaviors in after-school programs and what you can do about it. After-school programs can be challenging. When you think about it, kids have been in school all day, and some of those kids have actually been in school before school as well. So this is like a 12-hour day for some of our kids. And for our littles or some kids who struggle throughout the school day, it's even more challenging. So there's a balance between what we structure. We know structure is going to help them, but then there's also a balance of downtime. Too much downtime, behaviors unravel. Too much structure, behaviors unravel. What about the child who does struggle throughout the day and then comes to after school and completely unravels? Is it okay for that child to be doing a preferred activity while they're there? And I realize that this may involve them, playing a video game or something. And as long as it's, school approved, then I don't see a problem with that. Maybe this child is just reading a book for an hour and a half and they're not participating in some of the structured activities. I don't see a problem with that. You may have to program for some children that cannot handle a 12, 13-hour day because it is after school. And if they were home, they'd be doing whatever they want. So your balance is you can't do whatever you want, but is it okay at this point in their day for that preferred activity to be all right? Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.